Next on the Man vs. Show, you can see this episode where a man finds himself in the Arctic struggling and fighting for his survival, none other than Mr. Pickla Reggyspleen. Let's see what he does.
Hello everybody. Today we're going to be out in the Arctic. Don't know what to do, stranded out here, only with my bare hands. Join with me as we can explore this lovely land.
All I had with me was the clothes on my back, and of course the whole crew who was filming me.
According to the ancient natives out here in the Arctic, one thing that you can do is scatter around to find things that are necessary for your survival.
I wasn't quite sure if I was supposed to believe in all these myths that were going around about the ancients, but it was the only thing that I could have done in that type of situation. But eventually, after many struggled attempts to find something underneath the snow, I eventually found something incredible that, most likely, I placed there before.
Lucky enough I found this crave over here. This is what I'm saying. This is why. You scavenge around, try to find this, because you can use this on your trip. Let's try to eat it now. I'm sure it'll help me out in our journey. Alright, never mind then.
Alright, we found some yellow snow here. The only logical thing to do is to eat the yellow snow because it will give me essential vitamins. Let's try it out.
I'm rich.
Pescatarians.